need more support. And that's why we are going to make a bargain with the young people of America. If you are willing to participate in community service or national service, if you join our military or you join the Peace Corps, or you work in an underserved hospital or an underserved school, we will pay your tuition for 4 years of public college, public university,